Hello, today we're going to be making sausage sawmill gravy. Okay, what I've got here is about a pound of ground sausage, and what we're going to do is, I'm using cast iron because I like the heaviness of it, the even cooking. So we're going to brown up our sausage meat and get it all browned up. Our sausage is starting to get lightly brown, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of pepper. You just add as much as you like. This is to your taste. And I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of salt to mine while it's cooking. And all this, the salt and pepper is to your liking. Some people like more, some people like less. Okay. Sizzling pretty good here. And a lot of this too is like it's looking at it and telling how much you're going to need, you know, on the milk and stuff. So I've got some extra milk over here just in case I'm going to need more. And this goes great with your biscuits, which you've already learned how to make. So now we're going to have some sausage gravy with our biscuits. Now we've got it cooked up enough to add our flour. I've got it on like medium heat here because I don't want it to get crunchy. And I've got 1/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour. I'm going to just sprinkle this over the meat. We're just going to let this cook for a minute before we add our milk. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the milk, and I've got 2 cups of whole milk here. But we may need more depending upon, you know, how thick it gets. Go ahead and just stir this around and let it cook. And you're going to have to just keep stirring until it starts to thicken up. Okay, and our gravy's ready to go now. It's been cooking about 10 minutes, I'd say, and it's got nice and thick. But if you want it a little bit thinner, go ahead and add more milk. I like mine about this thickness here. And I'm also going to add me a little bit more pepper because I like a lot of black pepper in mine. I think it makes the gravy. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it on low until our biscuits are done. But like I said, if it gets too thick, add you a little bit more milk. Okay, our biscuits are ready, and we're ready for the sausage gravy. And I like mine with 2 eggs, so I've cooked me a couple of eggs here. This is great on a cold winter's day like today. It's a good hearty breakfast, and you can even probably have it for supper. Go ahead and take a little taste of it. It's very hot here. It's very good. I love sausage gravy. Hope you will too. Thank you. Come again.